No matter how many times you clean it, it seems like the bathroom is a magnet for all kinds of gross grime. Stuck on toothpaste, strands of hair on the floor, and soap scum on the shower door. Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you find out the best electric spin scrubber in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to see their price and out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 1. Labigo Electric Spin Scrubber. The Labigo Electric Spin Scrubber is an all-star in the bathroom because of its versatility. The electric tool, powered by a rechargeable battery, tackles floors with ease, but also excels at reaching spots closer to the ceiling, thanks to a telescoping handle. The extendable rod stretches from 24.4 to 43.3 inches, so you can clean the whole bathroom without having to bend down or grab a step stool. The set comes with 4 cleaning brushes suitable for a wide range of tasks, a dome brush for tubs and sinks, a wide flat brush for glass doors, a small flat brush for grout lines, and a corner brush for crevices. And each one works at a speed of 380 RPM to give you more power without the effort. You'll never have to stop mid-task either. Number 2. Halik 7-Pack Deep Cleaning Brush. If you don't mind exerting a little bit more energy, this budget-friendly set offers a fantastic value. For a nominal price, you'll get 7 different brushes to help you tackle spots in the bathroom, as well as other areas like the kitchen and laundry room. The set comes with 2 scrubbing brushes in 2 different sizes, a smaller tile line brush for crevices and grout, a groove gap brush for stubborn stains, and a large scouring pad brush. Each item in the set is lightweight and ergonomically designed so it's easier to hold, leading to less fatigue and stress on your body when scrubbing hard. Because of this, we found the brushes to be very comfortable in hand, despite the extra work the manual design imposes on you. Number 3. Grimebuster Pro Power Scrubber Brush. It's no surprise to see Black Plus Decker on the list of best bathroom scrubbers. The brand is known for its small, but mighty household appliances like handheld vacuums. We love this scrubbing brush because of how thoughtfully well it's designed. The cordless brush sits compactly in its own dedicated charging stand, giving you both a place to store the brush and assurance that it'll always be charged and at the ready when you need to use it. Unfortunately, the brand doesn't list the battery's run time, and it's not as long-lasting as others, but it should be enough time to tackle at least 1 or 2 bathrooms. Of course, you can also use this scrubber for other stubborn spots in your home, like the kitchen sink or the oven door. The unit comes with both a sponge and a brush. Number 4. Easefix Electric Spin Scrubber. It may be small and lightweight to keep you comfortable while you clean, but the Easefix Electric Spin Scrubber is surprisingly powerful. The electric model, which comes with 4 attachments and is cordless, can easily tackle both large and small areas, thanks to a motor that spins at 350 RPMs. Use the domed brush for tubs, the flat brush for floor and wall tile, and the pointed brush for smaller crevices and grout lines. There's even a microfiber cloth attachment for drying spots like shower door glass to ensure a streak-free clean. The model takes a little longer to charge than some others. It requires up to 4 hours to fully power up. But once fully charged, it'll last for about 2 hours, which should be plenty of time to tackle your bathrooms, without being constrained by a cord. Number 5. Tasvac Electric Spin Scrubber. When you have months and months of soap scum and buildup to contend with, you need something exceptionally powerful to get the job done. We love that this electric scrubber has a 450 RPM motor that works harder and faster than most. It also has a handy telescoping wand that adjusts from 27 to 47 inches, as well as a brush head that can be adjusted to 90, 135, or 180 degrees to ensure every inch, even the hard to reach, of your bathroom is sparkling. This makes cleaning that much easier, and will save your knees from kneeling, which is a huge win in our book. This spinning set comes with a wider array of attachments than most, too. With your purchase, you'll get the more standard bristle brushes, a dome, a corner.